A drag-style Beetle engineered for raw, straight-line performance.
Timeless 1967 Volkswagen Beetle, restored to near factory perfection with subtle stance refinement. 1972 Beetle, reimagined with aggressive wide-body styling and deep chrome wheels. A beautifully restored 1965 Kombi, preserving its heritage with a clean two-tone finish. A custom T2 camper, blending classic design with handcrafted luxury interior. Rare Beetle pickup conversion finished in vibrant candy yellow with premium chrome wheels. Clean MK1 Golf Resto Mod with timeless green paint and classic BBS fitment. A lowered Scirocco with a sleek matte finish and precision stance setup. A VIP-style Kombi featuring air suspension and a deep black luxury finish. A modern electric conversion Beetle, silent yet forward-thinking. A modern electric conversion Beetle, silent yet forward-thinking. Rat-look Beetle embracing raw patina and authentic vintage character. A track-focused MK2 Golf built for performance and balance.
Whoa, that acceleration was intense!
The wide stance keeps it planted, perfect balance. And that smooth stop. A fully chromed Beetle turning reflections into rolling art. A surf-inspired Kombi capturing a relaxed yet refined coastal lifestyle. Gaskan! Beetle, kita siap bikin rekor baru!
Ayo, pacu sampai garis!
A drag-style Beetle engineered for raw, straight-line performance. Beetle drag masuk, suara mesin berat, ban belakang besar terlihat jelas.
A drag-style Beetle engineered for raw, straight-line performance.
A modern Golf tuned with subtle luxury and performance balance. A modern Golf tuned with subtle luxury and performance balance.
Look at that soft pink Beetle, so classy and elegant.
It suits your style perfectly, my dear.
It's styled with such personality and elegance.
A Kombi transformed into a mobile executive lounge. A Kombi transformed into a mobile executive lounge. The final showpiece, a Beetle built for prestige, detail, and attention. Magnificent. The gold accents are exquisite.
It's the epitome of showmanship.